Got 200 blog posts, but no time to write descriptions for each one? This AI workflow fixes that in 5 minutes. Here's the problem. Post excerpts are critical. They show up in search results, social media shares, and your blog archive pages. But writing 150-character summaries for every post? That's hours of tedious work. And if you skip them, Google just grabs random sentences from your content, often making no sense at all. For SEO and user experience, you need quality excerpts. But who has time to write them manually? That's where AIWU's Workflow Builder comes in. I'm going to show you a pre-built template that automatically generates AI-powered excerpts for all your posts in bulk. The best part? You set it up once, click run, and AI does the rest. No manual work, no copy-pasting, just pure automation. Let me show you how easy this is. Go to your AIWU plugin, click Workflow Builder, and open the Templates tab. Find Generate Missing Post Excerpts and click Use Template. This branch is key. It only processes posts where excerpt is unknown. So posts that already have excerpts, completely skipped. Efficient. By default, it uses GPT-4o, but you can switch to any AI model you prefer: Gemini, DeepSeek, Claude, whatever's in your AIWU general plugin settings. The AI prompt is simple. Write a short excerpt up to 130 characters based on the post title. You can customize this if you want a different style, maybe more sales-focused or more casual. Hit save, then click run. That's it. AIWU will now loop through every post, check for missing excerpts, and generate them automatically. In just a few minutes, the workflow completes. Let's check the results. Here's my blog posts list. Now, every single post has a professional AI-generated excerpt. 30 characters, concise, clear, SEO-friendly. And here's my blog archive page. Before, it was just read more links. Now, every post has a compelling description that actually encourages clicks. Some pro tips: swap the manual trigger for a schedule trigger. Run this workflow automatically every week to catch new posts. Notice this email action in the else branch? You can customize this to include stats, like generated 47 excerpts from 150 posts. AIWU has other templates like Generate Missing Featured Images. You can chain these together for complete content optimization. So if you're tired of manual content work, try AIWU's Workflow Builder. This template alone can save you hours, and it's just one of dozens of pre-built automations. Drop a comment if you want me to cover other workflow templates, and subscribe for more WordPress AI automation tips. Thanks for watching, and let AI do the boring work for you.